This 2018 Keystone Outback 335CG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Outback 335CG is 8,885 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.